Imagine this. You're in a sleek lab humming with soft robotics, and across the room, Elon Musk is watching a robot thread electrodes finer than a human hair directly into someone's brain. This isn't sci-fi, it's Neuralink's Summer 2025 update. And what you're about to hear might change how you think about the future of humanity. So why even do this? Why mess with the brain? Musk and his team want to solve real problems, like restoring movement to those who've lost it or giving sight back to the blind. But here's the catch. The brain is delicate. You can't just jam wires in there and hope for the best. You need a robot, precise, fast, and incredibly gentle. This is where the sewing robot comes in. Neuralink's newest prototype is sleeker and smarter than ever. It threads ultrafine electrodes into the brain at high speed, almost like a tailor stitching silk, but with millimeter precision. The big win? It reduces surgery time, cost, and risk. In 2025, they've gone from lab bench to something that feels almost clinical. And then came the moment that turned heads around the world. A human subject implanted, live-streamed, and recovering with no visible trauma. We watched them move a cursor with their mind. Imagine that. A thought becomes action. Musk called it telepathy, but grounded in silicon, not magic. The team even showed the brain activity patterns, clean and readable in real time. But there's more than hype here. The real questions start now. Can it help someone with ALS regain control? Will this scale to millions or stay a boutique tool for extreme cases? And what about safety, updates, hacking, or even the philosophical stuff? Are we merging with machines or just building better tools for the mind? In Musk's own words, we're building the future of human cognition. And 2025 marks the year where Neuralink stopped being a pitch and became a platform. More trials are coming. International interest is growing. And while there's still risk, there's also hope. So now picture yourself back in that lab. The robot hums, the electrode pulses. A new kind of connection forms, not just between brain cells, but between human potential and digital possibility. This is Neuralink, and it's only just beginning.